Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to sign in with Google account. That is, how to add Google account to your device Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, open Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and here click on sign in. And it will checking info. Just wait. Here you go to insert, you go to include your email ID. Click here and give your email ID. Here I am giving my email ID. Right, prints, and click on next. Then type your password here. Just type your password. I type my password now. And it asking for two-step verification. And yes, it is done. Here click on next. Click on yes, I am in. Here click on turn on backup if you need, otherwise click on don't turn on. Click on I agree. Google services are loading now, and click on accept. Yes, you have included your Gmail ID or Google account to your device. Now you can download any apps from Google Play Store, install and uninstall. Whatever you want to do is just you can do it here. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.